Now what the hello and welcome to My Cats Are Going Crazy Part 2. Because everybody viewed my other video, I'd like to make another one. That's Tiger. That's Felix. Where's Alaska gone? She's gone out. They're not doing much right now, unfortunately. It's the morning, that's why I can't hear anybody going down up and downstairs. What are you doing? Hang on, let me liven this up. You knocked my camera, you stupid thing. Come on. Good boy. What's that sound? Oh God. Oh my God. Oh jeez. Come on, Tiger. Come on. Hang on. I've got another thing my cats love. You'll think this is crazy. It's plastic, but it'll work. Oh fuck. You got my camera. Hey! Oh my God. Are you gay? Are you mad? Are you gay? Are you gay? Oh no, he doesn't like it. Are you gay? Now tell me, are you gay? Tiger, are you gay? This is typical, it really is. Having two cats that mad. Are you two gay? Hey! Okay, thank you for watching My Cats Are Crazy and Stupid and Mad Part 2. If you'd like to see another one, please view this video lots of times and get other of your mates to view this video. And I'd like you to subscribe. Thank you.